Hey guys, in today's video, I will reviewing the top 8 best mops for laminate floor. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I tried a random base on my quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description link below. Number 8 in my list is Bona Premium Microfiber Mop. Looking for one mop to take care of all your floor cleaning needs? We had to choose this Bona Microfiber Floor Mop as our best value pick because it comes with 2 washable, reusable, and interchangeable microfiber pads. The soft, fluffy pad with both short and long fibers is for the dry pickup of dust, pet hair, and other debris. The low-looped pad for wet cleaning has scrubber strips on each side to loosen stubborn grime while the center section absorbs and locks it away. Both attach easily to the 16.5-inch mop head that has soft, flexible corners to keep from damaging woodwork and cabinets. It really is a do-it-all choice. In GH cleaning lab tests, we found Bona mops to be very maneuverable and easy to use. What we particularly like about this one is the telescoping aluminum handle. It's lightweight and adjustable to accommodate users of varying heights. In our repeated wash tests, the pads hold up very well. For wet cleaning, pair this mop with one of Bona's spray floor cleaners for hardwood, stone, vinyl, and laminate floors. Number 7 in my list is Shark AI Robot Mop. If you don't want to mop at all, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. It includes the actual robot unit, a charging dock that has a dustbin to collect vacuumed up dirt, 2 washable microfiber mop pads, a filter, and a cleaning brush. You will need to set up the charging dock in an accessible area so that the robot can return to recharge after cleaning. A full recharge takes around 6 hours and will last for 90 minutes of continuous cleaning. To switch from vacuum to mop, you'll need to add the mop pad and fill the water tank manually before selecting mop. It automatically vacuums up larger debris and follows with a mopping pattern. The robot sprays at the front of the unit and moves over the area to let the mop pad pick up any dirt. While it is expensive, this robot vacuum/mop combo takes care of this chore with almost no work required from you. Number 6 in my list is Bissell Crosswave Mop. For a mop that also works as a vacuum, the Bissell Crosswave performs well and is easy to use. It includes a removable roller head and water tank that can also be used with a cleaning solution. Having a wet and dry vacuum cuts down on the extra step of vacuuming when you want to deep clean your floors. The vacuum mop combo can be used on hard floors, such as laminate, as well as area rugs. Given its expensive price, having multiple uses makes it a better value overall. You will need access to a standard power outlet, so just consider that when deciding which rooms you'll be able to use this mop in. It also isn't a great option for vertical use, such as on walls or windows, because it does weigh 11.5 pounds. The water tanks are also not meant to go horizontal and will leak. Still, we give this wet/dry vacuum a thumbs up. Number 5 in my list is 18 Professional Microfiber Mop. If you have different cleaning needs, the Microfiber Wholesale Mop System can take care of them. It comes with 2 mop pads, a microfiber one that picks up bigger dirt and dust, and a flat mop pad that is good for general cleaning. Each can be washed in a standard washing machine. We love that this saves money by not needing replacement pads after every cleaning. You'll need to do some manual scrubbing with this mop system, especially if you have sticky messes to deal with. The dust pad is meant to be used dry to sweep away and pick up larger particles. The flat mop head is good to use with a cleaning solution or water, although you will need to buy that separately. It doesn't come with a bucket, and you may want to add that or a handheld spray to your cleaning kit for the best results. Number 4 in my list is O-Cedar Pro Mist Max Mop. The ease of use and great design of O-Cedar comes in a compact spray option. You can fill the tank with just water and use the textured microfiber to clean dirt or add your own cleaning solution. The microfiber pads fit around the mop handle and can be put in the washing machine. The standard set comes with just one, but we recommend getting at least 2 or 3 so that you will always have one that is clean and ready to use. Using only water is safe for most floors, making this a good choice to use around the house if you have multiple styles of flooring. If you have sticky messes, however, you may need to add some cleaning solution or use a separate handheld spray and cleaning cloth. If you do add cleaning solution to the tank, you'll need to rinse it thoroughly before switching back to just water for delicate floors. Number 3 in my list is Bona Hardwood Mop. If you don't have a lot of space for a bulky mop or bucket, the Bona Microfiber Floor Mop is a good solution. The mop head swivels and can lay flat when stored out of the way. There is also a hook on the handle that you can use to hang the entire mop on the wall in your kitchen or laundry room. That makes it easy to grab when you need it, but keeps it tucked away after cleaning. It comes with 34 ounces of Bona cleaning solution, which is ideal for hardwood, but also safe for laminate. You can get individual refills, a large concentrated solution refill, and additional microfiber mop cloths. If you prefer a different cleaning solution, you will need to empty and rinse out the Bona reservoir tank. Number 2 in my list is Spray Mop. This budget-friendly mop is affordable and great for laminate because you can use the exact cleaning solution or water that you need in the refillable reservoir. It also comes with 3 microfiber pads that can be washed once they pick up dirt and messes from your floor. The mop head also swivels a full 360 degrees and can fit under furniture in your rooms. The trigger handle can be a bit finicky, especially if you use harsh chemicals that build up over time. Clean the spray nozzle regularly to keep it working great. You can also use it on windows and other vertical surfaces, such as shower walls. Number 1 in my list is O-Cedar Easy Ring Mop. This classic spin mop is the best choice for almost every mopping situation, even if you've never mopped before. It comes with everything you need, including a bucket, mop handle, and microfiber mop head. The bucket has a foot pedal to wring the mop so you won't need to bend down for a lever or get dirty mop water in your face. We also like the design of the mop head itself, which can easily slip into hard-to-reach corners. What makes it great for laminate and any other type of flooring is the microfiber material. The strands are very fine and pick up dirt and debris from the floor without harsh chemicals. All you need to do is put water in the bucket and let the microfiber do all the work. You don't need to worry about discoloration or chemical wear on your flooring because all it uses is water. Generally speaking, mopping your laminate floor with plain water is one of the easiest and quickest ways to clean it, says Brown. It doesn't require any special cleaning supplies or products. Alright guys, this we are today's videos. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming video. Be sure to check out the link in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.